Hi, I'm Meredith from Peachie Speechie. I'm a speech-language pathologist, and today we're going to practice saying the R sound at the beginning of words. These are also called initial R words or prevocalic R words. That just means that the word starts with R and then has a vowel next. The R sound can be produced in two main ways, bunched or retroflexed. I made videos that teach how to produce the R sound in both of those ways. So if you still need a little practice on where to put your tongue or how to say the R sound in isolation, I suggest watching those videos first. Okay, let's get started. You will see 15 initial R words pop on the screen. I'll say the word first, and then you say it after me. Remember, when you make the R sound, the back sides of your tongue are going to lift up, up, up to the insides of your back teeth. Your whole tongue is going to pull back and be tight. Then you can say the R sound in words like rainbow or red. Listen and then say the R words after me. Rest, ran, round, rule, rain, written, race, ride, row, ring, radio, rope, red, road, rock. Great job practicing! I know that the R sound is a really challenging one. I am so proud of you for working so hard on it today. Thank you for watching my video. If you feel like you need a little more practice on the R sound, just play this video again. To the SLPs watching this video, I wrote a workbook. It's titled I Can Say the R Sound. My cat Arlo loves it. It's over 300 pages of visuals, elicitation techniques, and practice pages. You can get the printed copy on Amazon, or you can go to peachiespeechie.com and download the PDF. You can also check out my variety shop, toastedcheese.shop, where you can find shirts, sweatshirts, mugs, lots of other fun things for everybody.